Let's be honest, standard PDF exports from Confluence are convenient but limited. If you need polished, on-brand PDFs that look professional every time, Scroll PDF Exporter delivers PDFs that are perfect for sharing, printing, or archiving. Get started in minutes. Once the app is installed, head to your content and export it with Scroll PDF Exporter. The app comes with some bundled templates that you can use straight away. Brand your exports effortlessly. Export templates allow you to control the output of your exports, and by defining your brand, it is simple to bring your corporate design into all your exports. Add your logo, colors, and fonts. Then go deeper with the powerful template editor. Define document sections, such as title pages and table of contents, control styles for text, tables, macros, and more. Export various use cases. From product fact sheets and how-to guides to contracts, CVs, and technical docs, you can export many different things with Scroll PDF Exporter. Choose portrait or landscape layouts and define exact page sizes to match your needs, whether it's A4, US letter, or something custom. All of these examples and more are ready to use and customize from our template library. Make use of flexible export options. Need to export just one page? Or a full page tree? Or an entire space? Export however you like. Fine-tune your export settings to get the exact output you need, including important metadata, every time. Scroll PDF Exporter plays nicely with other apps. Using Scroll Documents, export versioned, conditional, and translated content with ease. Plus, many Confluence and third-party macros are also supported in exports. Ditch the default. Whatever you're publishing, Scroll PDF Exporter exports your content exactly the way you need it. Start your free 30-day trial of Scroll PDF Exporter today. Find it on the Atlassian Marketplace.